Dad said 15 years ago.
Hmm?
Dad said 15 years ago.
What do you mean?
That's right. We better have a ham dinner today, huh? Eat some of this food up.
I'm gonna make the turkey. We have carrots, right?
I don't know, actually. Might not. Did you get a face full?
Hi. Oh my goodness!
Crawling, or are you just gonna keep rolling around? Rolling around. Are you rolling around? Huh? Huh? Where you going? Where you going?
Hey.
We need to put wheels on your belly. That'll help. Yeah. I didn't know you spoke Drac. Can you speak Drac?
Mm.
Not many humans can. What you want? Your sister's jealous. She wants attention and be talked to, don't you, baby? Baby. Is your tail wagging when I talk to you? Baby. Hmm? Going after it again, are you? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Misery, where are you going?
You are jealous puppies. You are jealous puppies. Why do you want that so bad? You want to climb? I think when she's 2, we're going to take her rock climbing, those little...
Yeah.
Give her a bungee.
Our RV will be full of
That wasn't even
Amaya's.
her head. That was baby's head.
Yeah, I thought it's her. Come here.
What you doing? Hmm?
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Oh, you just gotta try again.
Come here.
You just gotta try again, little face. Are you kicking my daughter, Benny?
That's normal for them. Babe, get her.
Jesus.
Daddy got you. Daddy got you.
Let's do some walking. Let's do some walking. You've been drinking? Yeah, it looks like you've been drinking. How's Mama's milk? You need a burp?
Yeah, she needs burp.
You need burp. Who's that? Who's that? Is that you? You see yourself in the mirror? Hmm? You know you're so cute. Oh, thank you for the headbutt. No burping? Hmm? No burping? Should we try a rapid fire?
That's loud, babe. I don't like it. That's loud.
Babe, she's laughing. She's fine. It's not even hard. No, it's not. Oh. Mm. You go get Mama. Hi. You get Mama.
No, I want to be with Daddy.
You went up again? Ooh.
What Mommy doing?
What is Mommy doing? She making the memories? She recording the memories? Hmm? You want that foot in your mouth, don't you? It's because you're daddy's girl. Foots taste good, don't they?
You got dimples. Oh, you got dimples. Is she vomiting?
No. Well, maybe. She ate it back down, though. Oh. Woof da. Are you going to go off now? I sense your frustration. You want to walk, you want to crawl, you want to get into things. I get it. No, you gotta go the other way. Oh, Mama got it.
Mama's fat.
Get it.
Go get the phone. Get the phone. Hi.
She ain't going for it.
She wants to, but she can crawl out like this.
Go on, go on.
Oh, you push up, eh? Yeah.
That one. And then that one. And then that one.
Who's that?
And then that forward.
Is that Amaya?
That one. And then that one. And then that forward. Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you backward crawling?
Uy. Uy, how sweet naman. Uy. Uy. Oh, baby got it. Oh my goodness. Baby is in the way.
Wow. Are you jealous of the camera too, baby?
God. Oh, next.
You're gonna get kicked now. You're in the kicking zone.
Amaya, what are you looking? You're looking your face? Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. She pushed yourself forward finally. Is he distracting you?
My mom commented in a picture where she has Amaya, she has baby and Benny. She said that don't always put the puppies beside her. Oh. Did you see that? Then finally, I'm coming. Finally, I'm here.
Cheated.
Cheat. You're cheated.
Oh,
What'd
take it
you
away.
do?
Mama, take it away from you. After all that work, she just took it. Benny, did you teach your sister how to roll? Was that you? Are you so pathetic? Look at him.
That's funny.
You need a brush. Look at all this.
Mm-hmm.
You need a haircut, little man. You both need haircuts. You can barely see all the hair over your eyes.
She gonna vomit, babe. What happened to you?
Oh.
Ah, she gonna cry?
Let's go this way. Come on.
Oh. You okay?
If you want, we can put padding on the bottom of that.
Mm-hmm.
But when she gets strong enough, she'll start ripping the padding.
What
Like a pool noodle.
padding?
You know what a pool noodle is? It's a piece of foam that...
Just like the one that they put in the hose?
Yeah, kind of like that, only it's a little tougher. When she gets teeth, it... When she gets teeth, she'll start chewing on it, so then we'll have to remove it.
You're on the way.
Are you encumbered by the puppies and the dad? Alright, I'm moving her. There's a nice way to do that. You say, "Excuse me, Father. You're in the way.
Damn.
It would be ever so nice if you were to move backwards so that I might roll closer this direction."
She got a lot of licks already. If my mom can watch
Quit licking.
this.
Quit licking her
Oh,
face.
God, they're gonna scold me again.
Don't lick her face.
Seems like the color of this rug is a baby's and Benny's color.
Well, there's a lot of gray in it. Gray and white.
Ah, puno ko. Nako.
I can't move much further.
I like it.
Are you gonna throw a fit?
Walk. One. Walk. See? Walk in the light. Wait. I saw mommy's hair.
Try cutting this thing though.
Sit. Oh, why you don't like to sit? Sit.
Put her in her high chair, that jumper.
Why?
Because it'll move stuff. I gotta get a knife out. I don't want her around when I'm doing these things.
Wait.
I'll give you 15 more minutes. You can play.
No. Bye-bye.
Breakfast first.
Say hi. Hello, this is my daughter, Amaya. These are our puppies. Say hi to them. I love you. One, two, three,